Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C15 and let me show you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's unlock your phone and get into the settings. Now let's scroll down and find About Phone and click on Version. Here we've got the build number and keep tapping it until you'll see that you're in a developer mode. Also confirm it with a password, and now you're in the developer mode. So let's get back to the settings. Let's find additional settings, scroll down, and as you can see here we've got the developer options. So click here, and here we've got the full list of advanced settings which you can customize just like you want. If you want to turn off the developer options, simply click on the switcher. Let's get back, and as you can see here we have no developer options anymore. So that's all. This is how you enter developer options in your REALME C15, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.